question. Can you explain what internet is?
Yes, I love technology.
Pretty amazing.
Truly wonderful the mind of a child is.
Hey guys, Mr. Ogden here. Today we're going to be using Google Draw to create a word poster. So to start off, watch this tutorial video that I'm making now and make sure you read all the requirements. So first off, you're going to open up your word poster, and take note, when you open up your poster, yours will have your first name up in the top left corner, your first and last name in this corner. So make sure that it does say that. Then what you're going to do is you're going to come back to Google Classroom and open up this positive words vocabulary list. And what you're going to do is you're going to choose one word that best describes you from this positive words vocabulary list. So you need to choose one of these words that, again, best describes you, and you're going to be looking up the definition. I'm going to choose the word supporting, so that will be my word I'm choosing. And what you're going to do is you're going to open up a new tab and type in the word supporting, and you're going to look up the definition of it. Bear all or part of the weight, hold up, give assistance to. So what you're going to do on your Google Draw assignment is you're going to be creating a poster with that word. So the main part will be the word. So if I put in a text box, I can put in the word supporting. And I can change the format. You want your word to be nice and big. You're also going to be writing the definition. So you can move your word around. And then you're going to be putting the definition somewhere in a much smaller font. So for the definition, I am going to copy and paste this one, Control C, click in the box, Control V. So that is the definition. You can make it a little bigger. You can put the word and the definition anywhere on your poster as long as your word is nice and big, covering most of the flyer, most of the poster, and the definition is a smaller font. Now what you're going to do is you're going to be creating interesting design using only the shapes, arrows, callouts, equations, or any of these lines. Now remember, if you want to change the background, you can right click and choose a different background color. Right click, choose a background color. You can also, for your text, instead of using just a text box, you can insert and do word art instead. So now you have something a little different. So again, you're going to be using lots of different lines to create designs and colors, add lots of detail, and make your poster interesting. I'm looking for lots of color. I'm looking for at least 10 different colors. Make sure you have your definition in small font. Use the entire poster space, no white or gray squares showing. You can only use shapes and lines, so no images from Google or anywhere else. And again, the more detail, the better. I'm looking for a very highly detailed poster with lots of different things on it. Be creative, take your time, have some fun. Again, make sure your word is nice and big and the definition is nice and small somewhere on the poster. That's it. If you have any questions, let me know.